Yes, sir.
Go to the template, course list template. See, wherever you are using a Python code, you listen here. Okay, wherever we are using a Python code, all Python code is in curly brace within percentage.
Okay,
You see
sir.
here, if course list, okay, for loop, end for, end if, all are on curly brace within percentage. Suppose you need a text display, that you will use double curly braces. Double curly braces. Okay. For example, here, go back to your HTML page, Deepa. Go to browser. List of courses and then you given, right? Here there is no name. List of courses offered by. I want to pass the name of that institute. Okay. You getting what I'm saying, Deepa? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now go back to that HTML page. Go to this. First to make it L caps, list of courses. L caps, list, listen here. List of courses offered, space offered by. I want to pass the name of the institute. Okay.
Yes.
So how will we do here? Use two curly braces. Yeah, close two curly braces. Now in between, you say institute name. Institute name.
I
Or,
want to give lab tech or institute name, sir.
sir, INS name, you say INS name. INS name. Okay. Now you take this in INS name, copy that. This data, where we need to pass?
Views.
View. Perfect. Go to view. Go to view. Now in this map, already you have a course list, comma, after list of courses, comma, key. No, within curly braces, within dictionary, comma, within quotes, that institute name, whatever the parameter name you given, comma, not comma, that. Then what is the name of this institute? You can say Laventech. Laventech. Within quotes, Laventech. Within quotes.
Yes, sir. Single quote, sir.
Yeah, single or double, not a problem, but follow only one approach. There is no problem with single or double. Now you save it, both template, everything. Now you go back and refresh it. Think you didn't save something.
I saved, sir.
Go to the course list. Course list not saved.
Can I check now, sir?
Now you can change this Laventech to some other ABC, XYZ, anything. Now what is happening here? You are getting this data. Go to that view. Go to that view. Now you understand that request is being processed.
Yes, sir.
You are getting list. You are asking, somebody is asking me to get the list of courses. we are processing it. Even this data can come from database also, MySQL, correct?
Yes,
Getting
sir.
deeper?
Yes, sir.
This data, the list of courses, right now we are having here, but this can come in the database also. It can come from anywhere.
Yes.
Okay. Now, this is how this Django. Now I think you guys have required knowledge to prepare a project. Getting deeper?
Yes, sir.
Now, what I will also tell is in this, instead of these templates, no,
Yes, sir.
you can use React also. React JS, Angular JS, Vue, anything can be replaced with this because these two are two independent stuff.
Yes, sir.
And one more thing is Django is not designed to give you user interface. Getting
Yes.
deeper?
Yes, sir.
It doesn't have much user interface related stuff. It ends with view. View will give you how it will work with the backend. Backend means database. For example, this course list, etc. It will get from the database and then it will give it back to your React also. I hope you are not getting confused, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, I am sharing my screen.
Can I stop, sir?
Just to summarize till now what we learned. First, prerequisites. Okay, what we did, we installed a pip environment. This is for virtualization. Virtualization. Okay. Next, we installed Django. We installed Django. Next, this is the prerequisites. Now I'm project. Okay. We opened virtual environment. Okay, using pip env shell. Okay, and then created a project. How will we use? From now onwards, we use Django -admin. Okay, start project and then project name. Project name. So we created the project. Okay. Now, after this, run server. Run server. How will we use? We use Python manage.py run server. Okay. Optional is port. Is it clear? So this is the steps we followed. Deepa, any questions on this?
No, sir.
Okay. This is the first part. Now the second part of the summary. My project. What are all the key files we observed in the my project? One is manage.py. This is used to manage the application, okay, including start, server, etc. Multiple things we can do. Okay, how will we know what are all the things we can do? If you go back here, py manage manage.py, if I say, these are all the things we can do. What is that? We still now we used only few things. We used to start project. Okay, start app we used. Next one is run server we used. Where is run server? Yeah, I think. Yeah, here. This run server we used. Okay. These many commands we can use for manage. Getting what I'm saying? Okay. This many stuff we can do. That is the first part. Okay. The second part. What is the next important file here? We saw settings. Okay. In settings, all as of now, we saw app configuration. All new apps to be registered here. Registered here. Okay. Next, what we saw. Next, what we saw. Manage we saw. Settings we saw. Next one is the URLs. Correct? Next one is the URLs. Okay. So this is about the project. Now, a Django project is a combination of multiple apps. Okay, multiple apps. Clear, Deepa? Okay, in this, we created college as one app. Okay, how will we create the app? How will we create a new app? Okay, py manage.py start app and then app name. Okay, and then what we need to do? We need to add this app in the settings.py. Next, we need to create view for processing. View is for what? View for processing the request. Okay. So we need to create the view. Next, what we need to do? We need to update the URL. That's what. We need to update URL yet project and create URL yet app level. Okay. Now, after doing all these things, then we did templates. Okay. And then we also saw how to access data from templates. And if you use curly braces and then within percentage, you can write the Python code. This is where you will write code. Okay. And if you want to access directly data in HTML, double curly braces, directly you can use the data. Okay. And when it comes to view, we have two things we saw. We saw HTTP response response. The another one is render. And when we use a template, we use render. Okay. And template should be in the templates folder. Templates folder. If this spelling is wrong, it will not work. Okay. Template should be in the templates folder. Should be in the templates folder. Okay. Any questions, Deepa?
No, sir.
Okay. But you got an idea?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So is it okay if we take 10 minutes break and continue, where I will explain how Django will work with database, MySQL. For example, the course list, what you displayed should come from database. Okay, Deepa? Deepa?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So I think we will connect after 10 minutes, exactly 10 minutes. Now it is 3:44. We will connect it 3:55. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.